Kenya's central bank bought dollars on the foreign exchange market on Thursday the 15th of February 2024 to curb volatility, traders said, as the shilling rocketed to its strongest level since June 2023. The central bank in turn said that it only intervened to smooth out volatility when the shilling is moving too fast in either direction and that it has no preferred level for the currency. At one point on Thursday the shilling was up almost 8% on the day, bid as strong as 139.00 to the US dollar. LSEG data showed in a rally fueled by foreign inflows into the Kenyan domestic debt, the resolution of a $2 billion Eurobond maturing in June. After the central bank intervened, the shilling gave back some gains to be bid at 141.00, still up more than 6% from Wednesday's close. This is a strong signal that the Kenya Kwanza regime under President William Ruto through central bank wants the currency and the economy to stabilize, and it has to be gradual. This week Kenya sold a new €1.5 billion Eurobond maturing in 2031, which it will use to buy back via a tender offering a large chunk of the $2 billion bond due in June. The government also sold a 70 billion shilling infrastructure bond receiving over 288 billion shillings of bids, which is a 412% subscription rate with strong offshore investor participation.
Okay, please come and take up this. And you'll find that if institutional investors don't take up your request, that is a sign of a plummeting economic environment. But this is not a case. Here is a case where the government has gone out and said, we are looking for 70 billion. Let us put into perspective. The government was looking for 70 billion, but what did they get? They got 288 billion. It was oversubscribed 4 times. That means that the investor confidence is back. The foreign investors initially had taken away the money, and that was affecting the dollar. But now they are bringing it back by showing their commitment to participate in such a paper. It means that, one, it's very confident, and for the government, of course, the differential of 4%, it means that there are active programs that have to be rolled out by central bank to be able to make sure that when these funds are due, they are paid over and above so as to make a profit. Remember, many people were not sure whether we'll be able to repay our bonds. That has been dominating the local dailies for a while. But that has gone. That is no longer a discussion. Government has now paid its obligation and injected a lot of money into the economy. And you can see the dollar is already beginning to, the shilling is already to operate stronger than the dollar as far as that is concerned.